Let's continue working with the conditionals. In the last tutorial, we used the ampersand to compare if this condition was true and this condition was true and this other condition. So when you use an ampersand, it means the and uh, operator, the logical operator and everything has to be true to get the whole true, the whole conditional true. So see something, we can change this if. So if you see this yes message will be assigned for this condition or for this condition. Okay, so instead of having this else if, we can delete all this. I'm sorry, it was a little mess here. uh, okay, I will delete this part. Okay, I will try to have the same alignment. Okay, and this was wrong. That's it. So if and see something, now I have two conditions, but I wanna get everything in only one conditional. You know what I mean? So if parentheses all this condition, all this one, okay, or this is the or this other condition, okay, and I will close the whole condition here, okay. So see something, when you don't, most of the time we use one line to have this whole conditional, but that's not a good habit, because whenever you're reading a program, try to use this limit to finish line. Okay, this is why we have this this symbol here, this line here, for you to know that this is better to stop here. So this conditional, I put this conditional in this way. I mean, instead of having just maybe 3 or 4 spaces, I put more spaces for us to understand that this is only one line statement. Okay, so if this is true and this is true and this is true, or this whole condition, then you assign a yes, else you assign a no. Okay, so I know this is gonna be like maybe more difficult to understand, but this is the way, this is a better way to have the program. So instead of having two conditions, you have only one big conditional uh, having the or. So if this is true or this is true, the yes will be displayed. Okay. If I compile the program, it compiles, and if I execute, it gives a no. Okay. So it will be yes. It will work the same as the previous one, but here you have a longer conditional. So um, this the way that's the way we work in when you write a program. Most of the time, the conditionals could be bigger, so that's why you need to comment. So in this case, these comments gives me these comments gives me like the understand of this statement. Okay, so the or, this is the or, and it will work if this is true or this is true. Okay, so see something, there is a hierarchy. Whenever you have parentheses, it goes to the parentheses and check inside, and the and is it has biggest priority than the or, so it has a higher priority than the or, the and. So the and will be checked first. So you gotta get used on the and or conditionals or logical operators for the conditionals. Okay, so this is gonna be easier, maybe for some of you it will be easier, for some of you not. So it depends on you guys. The previous one or this one, it works the same. Okay, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.